Okay, so hi dear Leo, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is no contact reading for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus rising from today till the 23rd of March. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Hmm. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. So let's start. Leo, the person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. We have the Ace of Wands, King of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles. What is happening here is the passion is increasing, the passion is rising, the attraction is rising. Mm, I'm not able to get the right words here, but this is somebody who is very passionate, very attracted to the idea of being with you, and very physically attracted to you. But when it comes to the portion of stability, long term partnership, growth, they are feeling stuck. They're not sure about that. That if this situation is something that's going to go long term, or is this just physical attraction or infatuation. But this is somebody who definitely feels very much attracted to you physically, and they can't stop thinking about it. It's like a higher level of physical attraction. I don't know what that means, but this is what this person is feeling right now. Very passionate, very fiery, very uh, attracted. But when it comes to this portion of stability, maybe long term, they're feeling stuck. They're like, I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Up to certain extent, they feel like, yeah, you guys can have a future together. But when it comes to the long term future, they're like, nope, I don't know. But I'm very attracted to Leo. But what next? I don't know. Right. Let's see what this person wants from you, Leo. Their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey. We have the Nine of Swords, the Emperor, and the Queen of Cups. Okay, see, their intention here is to have this self love, self care, self healing kind of energy and pretend that everything is okay. Yeah, this person wants to come out of this stressful energy of continuously thinking about the situation, continuously thinking about you, but not being able to do anything about it. So they want to have this poker face, they want to exercise this energy of having a poker face and behind the scenes loving themselves, taking care of themselves, and letting go of the stressful energies of continuously thinking about the situation and not being able to do anything about it. Okay, so they want to pretend that everything is okay and they don't care about you, but it's not the case. Okay. Okay, let's see what action. Yeah, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 23rd of March. We have the Five of Wands, the Hanged Man, the World card. Okay, you guys might end up fighting with each other, although it's not their intention to fight with you. This person will try to break the no contact somehow, and they will start with this kind of energy of you don't care, you are this, you are that, you are the one to blame here, you just don't feel anything about me, this that. So they might start this communication with a blame game kind of a thing, and it's going to piss you off somewhere somehow, or they're going to be so pissed off that they are going to fight with you. Basically, if there is going to be any communication, that's going to convert into very ugly spat, very ugly conflict or chaos or fight, and things are not going to go anywhere because of this stupidity. Now, I'm not saying that you guys can't stop this fight or conflict, but somehow, even if you want to, this is going to convert into something that you don't want to deal with. So you might end up blocking this person again or something like that. So the communication cards are there that the communication might happen, the stuck energies might open up, but this communication is just fight, nothing more than that. Blame game and boom, nothing. Yeah, for you, the guidance there is to not lose your peace and the sense of victory and success. Do not make somebody else the center of attention, even for 5 minutes, Leo. Okay, you should just take care of yourself, your money, your job, your career, your victory, your success. Nothing else, no one else should disturb your peace of mind, should disturb your energies in any way right now at this present moment. because even if this person is feeling like they should come towards you, their energies are not settled. Yeah, their energies are not that much mature to make something happen. So it's better to focus on yourself instead of being a part of any kind of drama or chaos. Good to go. So thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.